Hi guys, welcome back to my channel KRI GA, and in today's video we are going to see a simple bridal or a wedding guest makeup kind of look. So if there are any Telugu viewers who are watching this video, then you can go and watch it watch the same tutorial in Telugu in my Telugu vlogging channel, guys. So first I applied a Bio Bloom face oil as a base, like the first product on my face, because my face is becoming somewhat dry and I need that moisturization. So if you are from dry skin type, then you can apply moisturizer, or if you are from oily skin type, then you can apply a good primer on your face. So the next step is applying a concealer. So I'm using this NYX HD concealer under my eyes and also on those areas which I want to hide the imperfections, and also to highlight my face by a little bit. So I'm applying them on on these areas where actually my skin is not that good. So I'm even applying it on the bridge of the nose, and also on Cupid's bow and on the chin, so that it gives a good kind of coverage as well as that highlighting thing. So next I'm taking a damp beauty blender, and then I'm blending all this concealer into my skin. So while blending, it's really important to have patience, guys. So have a good amount of time in your hands, and then also be patient while you're blending all these cream products into your skin, because if blending goes wrong, then everything will be wrong, guys. So be patient while blending. So this is what I'm doing. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend in everything well. Next, for my foundation, I'm using a Maybelline Poreless Fit Me foundation. My shade is in medium, guys. So actually this foundation has a lot of shades, so it's you have to select a very good shade which is really near to your normal skin tone, because only then you are going to get that natural look on your face. So never go and buy foundations which are 1 or 2 shades lighter than your actual shade, because that won't look good and that looks a bit of artificial on your skin. So I'm blending well, and then for setting my entire face, I'm using this Lakme compact which has SPF 40 in it, which is really good for summers and also in other seasons, because applying sunscreen is necessary, guys. It's really good for your skin if you apply sunscreen daily. And if you want to reapply sunscreen on your face from time to time, then it's better to go and buy those compact powders which have SPF in it, so that you can touch up your makeup, as well as it's like you are reapplying sunscreen from time to time, so your skin will be protected from harmful UV rays. So don't forget to apply all the products which you are applying, at least the base products which you are applying on your face, to apply on your neck and ears too. So next, for my blush, I'm using a peachy orange pinkish blush, which gives a natural effect, like natural flushed skin look on your face. So apply it on apples of your cheek, and then blend it outwards onto near your ear. And then again, what you will be doing is take this blush and start applying it from the area which is near your nose, guys. So just make sure that your blush is continuous from your nose to the end of your apple of your cheeks. so it gives a good natural effect, like natural flushed look, as you are seeing it here. So next, for highlighting my face, I'm using Sivana Shimmer Brick. You can use any product which you like or which you have right at the moment. So I'm highlighting all the high points of my face where light will be falling and easily where it will be reflecting on my face. So I'm applying it on the cheekbone, and then I'll be applying it on the bridge of the nose. I'm using my fingers to apply highlighter because I'm not a fan of using a highlighting brush, highlighting, yeah, like makeup brushes, because I don't like using brushes, as I don't know, I just hate to use brushes while applying highlighter. So using your fingers will give you a precise product on your skin, which will make you, which also gives a kind of natural effect on your skin. So I'm using my little finger to apply highlighter all over my face, and I'm using a lot of highlighter in this look because I want that highlighted look, because when you attend weddings and everything, you will be clicking a lot of pics with your friends, family members, and there will be a lot of lightings, right? So when your face will be glowing, then it gives a very good healthy look. And for my eyebrows, I'm using Miss Claire, it's a normal eyebrow pencil with an eyebrow brush, so it makes it easier to apply, to fill in and also to brush your brows. So I'm going with the thicker and bold eyebrows, guys, because I just love it. And also I have glasses, I have specs, so if you have bolder and thicker brows, then it looks good even if you carry, if you skip your contact lenses and if you go with your glasses, it just gives you that fuller look. So that is what I'm doing. I filled my eyebrows and then I brushed my eyebrow hair so that it gives a good natural filled brow look. And for my eye look, this is really very simple eye look, guys. First, what I did is I took matte and shimmery kind of eyeshadow, which is in black colors, and I'm applying it on my crease line as well as on the outer V as shown here. So just apply 2-3 layers of this to get that exact color or whatever you need, like and then I'm going to blend it very well. And then I took this Lakme Iconic Kajal in the shade turquoise, and I'm going to fill that lid, my entire upper lid, with this one. And then I'm going to blend it. So first apply it on your upper lash line, and then apply it inside your that shadow outline, so that both of them can be blended easily afterwards. So I'm applying it first, and then I'm taking a normal blending brush which don't have any kind of product on it, and I'm gonna blend it. So it's really difficult to blend kajal with brushes, so then I'm gonna use my finger to blend in both the products to get a kind of natural look. Now as the ending product of my eye look, I'm gonna use mascara. Is from Ellen Blue. You can use whatever mascara you have. So it's better to use waterproof mascaras and also waterproof makeup while you're going to attend parties or anything, outdoor parties, because you have to stay for a long time, right? So if you go with waterproof, even if you sweat, your makeup is going to stay in place. And at the end of the makeup tutorial, I'm gonna use my favorite Bella was the chubby stick, and this is like tomato red color. You can use, you can go with nude lipstick if you want. Even nude looks good, but as this is a wedding makeup tutorial, I'm gonna use this classic red color which I love. So yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.